Yep. Okay. Go!
Will you hand me my screen box?
Now go.
Court does call the case of Gloria Anderson versus Lymon.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. State your appearance, sir.
May it please the court, Keith Nathanson, P41633, appearing on behalf of, in place of Sam Jarbo, for the plaintiff, Gloria Anderson, who's also present and participating via Zoom this morning.
Lymon,
I'm here.
where are you? I'm sorry, I'm not picking you up.
I'm here.
Oh, okay, there you are. I do need a camera. All right, what is plaintiff's claim in this case?
This is for past due rent, current rent owing on this matter, including utilities and late fees, is $11,398.12.
All right, Ms. Lymon, do you agree with that, and how are you going to get that paid?
No, I don't agree with that, but I did turn the rent into the court this morning.
You did what? I'm sorry?
Turn the rent into court this morning, the 66.
You paid something into the court?
Yes, this morning.
How much did you pay?
6,600.
This case, I have to check.
We don't have it under this case?
Oh, correct.
Why would it? Well, what were you checking? What time did you pay that?
Not that long ago.
Yeah, where did you pay it? At 14-1?
Yeah, I paid it up. Yeah, this one.
Okay. My court.
Mm-hmm.
You don't see it?
Yeah, I don't see it.
They would have had to receive it in.
Yeah.
Can we communicate with somebody up there to see if they just haven't entered it? So I'm just trying to figure out how this gets to 11,000, counsel, because the complaint that's filed indicates that there's 6,600 owing as of the beginning of February.
So
Obviously, March would then click in, and I get that.
So that would get us to 9,900. And then in addition, there are two water bills, one from 9/1 of 2025 for 463.16, a water bill from 12/1 of 2025 for 484.96. There's late fees in the amount of $150 for January, February, and March of 150 each. So that would total 450 for each. There's a service charge pursuant to Lease of $50 on January 19th, and then the DT reimbursement.
What's the service charge?
According to the lease, Ms. Anderson, what's the $50 service charge for?
Yeah, according to the lease, the $50 charge for the refrigerator service that was done, stated in lease. And also there's a $50 charge because she took the DTE, paid her $50 for my refrigerator and she took it. So I want that.
Lord Jesus.
I can
right,
take
look,
anything.
I'm not gonna, no, like, I've been through this with you two before, and I'm not gonna get into all of these nickel and dime things, because I'm gonna need to see a ledger, and I'm gonna need the reliance on what provision in the lease you're relying upon to charge whatever's being charged. I get the charges that council's indicating for the water bills. Council, I don't know if you have something in front of you regarding those water bills. Are those from the township or from Yucca?
I only have just the ledger from my client, so I don't have a copy of the actual invoices themselves.
Gotcha. Okay. So I'm gonna need those because I want to know. And it's only because we ran into this whole issue with the water bill the last time, and I just want to see them. Miss, I don't want to hear from you. So what I'm gonna do? Did we see it?
I have talked to, there are no receipts that any clerk can read.
There, we don't, Ms. Lyman, we're not showing your payment today.
I sent someone to do it for me.
Oh. So you didn't come up. Somebody's supposed to come up. We don't have a payment.
Okay.
So here's what I'm gonna do, folks. I'm going to adjourn this out 1 week, March 13th, 2026. What time? 3 p.m. That's an in-person hearing. Everybody needs to come down. I want to see the ledger and I want to see justification for any charges outside of the $3,300. And then we can figure out what I'm going to do from there. All right?
I'll make sure we have a copy of the lease, a copy of the ledger, a copy of the water bills, and a copy of any of the other charges that exist.
All right. Thank you, Council.
Okay, thank you.
All
I
right.
appreciate it. Okay, have a good day.
You do the same.
Thank you.
Are you kidding me?
Oh my God.
You have got to be kidding me. What is going on today? This is a joke. This is a joke. Today is an absolute joke. We need an interpreter.
I need an interpreter when I cannot express myself.
Oh my God, sir, put that cigarette out. I don't give a crap that you are outside of this. What is wrong with everybody today? You know what, this week we're going to start bringing people in front of us. People going to learn how to act in a courtroom.
Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Ma'am? Ma'am? Can you hear it?
No.
Okay.
No patience for that. I'm the one that needs a drink.